In addition to understanding how to solve linear equations in one variable, it's also important to understand what could possibly happen at the end of your work. The most common thing to happen is that there will be a single solution to your equation. You come across this sort of situation when you start with your equation, that is, one expression equals some other expression. You go through the usual solving process using the addition property, the multiplication property, possibly clearing fractions, and you arrive at a situation where you have a single variable, like 1x or 1y, equals a single number. The formal way that we have been concluding these statements is we write that solution set statement. The solution set is the set, and you fill into that set whatever the solution is for that particular equation. The second possibility is that your equation has no solution. You come across this situation when you have your original equation, some expression equals some other expression, and you're solving, and you get down to a contradiction, something of the form 0 equals 7, or 10 equals 2, or some other statement that is completely false. There is no way that 0 equals 7, or that 7 equals 2, or that two unequal numbers could possibly be equal. The reason a statement such as 0 equals 7 tells us that there is no solution to the equation is two things. One, the variables have been completely eliminated from the equation, indicating that the variable itself plays no part in whether the statement will be true or false, and the statement we're left with is just false. 0 is not equal to 7. There is no way we can make the statement true. Therefore, there is no solution to this equation. There are several ways we can finish this off. One is to say there is no solution. There is also the option to finish with the solution set notation, and you could simply state the solution set is the set with nothing in it. We call this the empty set. The third possibility is that every real number is a solution. We come across this sort of situation when we, again, start with our original equation. We go through our work, usual process, addition, multiplication properties of equality, and we come down to a statement that involves no variables, but is just true. A statement such as 0 equals 0, or 7 equals 7. Anytime the variables have been eliminated and we're left with a true statement, it's indicating to us the variables play no part as to whether the statement will be true or false, and therefore the statement is always true, meaning any number can be substituted for the variable and it'll be a true statement. There are various ways that we could state this formal conclusion. One could be the solutions are all real numbers. Another way to do this, using the solution set's notation, would be the solution set is, and we use that double bar R to represent the set of all real numbers. To quickly summarize, there are three possibilities when solving a linear equation in one variable. There is either one solution, no solution, or every real number is a solution. There is no other possibility other than these three when you solve a linear equation in one variable.